In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text in CapCut. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create smooth, professional-looking scrolling text that you can use for credits, announcements, subtitles, or any kind of dynamic text you want to add to your video. First, open CapCut and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to add the scrolling text. Import your video clip or image background into the timeline, and make sure it's trimmed to the length you want. It's important to decide where in your video the scrolling text should appear, so play through your timeline and pause roughly at the point you want the scroll to start. Next, head to the text section, tap to add a new text layer, and type in the message you want to scroll across the screen. This might be a single line of text or multiple lines, like end credits. If you're using multiple lines, press Enter between each line so it stacks nicely. At this stage, don't worry about the movement yet. Focus on getting the content right. Now, customize the style. Choose your font, adjust the size, and pick a color that stands out clearly against your background. You can also add a stroke or shadow if the text is hard to read. Remember, scrolling text is often on screen for a while, so readability is more important than flashy styling. Once you're happy with how it looks, position the text roughly where you want it to appear when it's fully visible. To make it scroll, we'll use keyframe animation or the built-in animation tools depending on your version of CapCut. For a classic vertical credit roll, start by dragging the text box so it sits completely below the visible frame at the beginning of the animation. Add a keyframe here. Then move the playhead to the time where you want the scroll to finish, and drag the text box up so it's completely above the frame. CapCut will automatically create a smooth scrolling movement between those 2 points. Play it back and check the speed. If the text is moving too quickly, extend the distance between the first and last keyframe on the timeline. If it's too slow, move them closer together. You can fine-tune by slightly adjusting the text position or the keyframe timing until it feels comfortable to read. When you're satisfied, preview the entire section with audio to make sure everything feels cohesive. Finally, export your video at your desired resolution, and your scrolling text is ready to share.